So, hello English learners. Today I'm going to talk about the significance of dreams and aspirations. Okay, and every day we are talking about one particular topic. This is called the extempore. Okay, you can participate in the extempore. It is going to happen in the companies, organizations, or institutions, colleges, universities. So this is called extempore. Okay, where you will be given one topic, one particular topic, and you have to speak on the topic for 5 minutes, 4 minutes, depending on the guest what they are going to provide. Okay, so from the last 6 days, just I pick up one topic and we are talking about that particular topic. Okay, without any preparation. Yes, you can prepare. You have to just learn or speak every day. So you are going to speak on that any particular topic. Okay, you have some roughly information. Like today, the significance of dreams and aspirations. So let's talk about the dreams and aspirations. What are the importance of all these things in our life? So first, if I talk about the dreams, if you don't have any dreams, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. So the dreams and aspirations, these are the most important thing in our life. How? Let's explain. Okay, like first of all, let me clear like the importance or the significance of dreams and aspiration. It is very crucial in every person's life. How? Because if you have the dream, if you have any type of aspirations, then you are going to achieve something in your life. Because there are two peoples. Let's take some examples. Like there are two peoples, there are two students. They both have the dreams. One have the dreams and aspirations. He want to become a doctor. He's watching lots of people like they are becoming the doctor, and his aspiration and his goal, his dream is to become a doctor. And the second person, he don't know what I have to achieve. He has no direction. If you have the dream, it means you have the destination where you have to go, where you want to achieve in your life. But if you don't have any dream, any aspiration, any goal, any aim, you are directionless. And someone is directionless, you can understand he is not going to reach anywhere in his life. So the goals and dreams is so important in our life, in every person's life. The dream is highly important, because without dream you are not going to achieve success in your life, and without dreams you are going to waste your time. Yes, because if I took one examples of two students, they both, one have the dreams and the second has no dreams. So the first person is going to be motivated, more focused, and he's not going to just waste his time, his crucial time. He's not going to waste, because he has the goal, he has the direction, he has the destination, like where I have to achieve and how much time it required to reach there. So I have to invest my time very carefully. And the second person, he doesn't have the time, he doesn't have the goal, he doesn't have the dream, so he doesn't know where I have to reach, where I have to go. He doesn't have the direction, he doesn't have the purpose or destination where he want to go. He is not going to reach anywhere. So if you have the dreams, if you have the aspiration, so you are going to reach somewhere, because the dream gives us motivation. First, motivation. The dream gives us as purpose. The dreams gives us, like, we don't have to waste our time, we have to utilize our time, we have to just use in a best way our time. Everything the dreams gives. So if I conclude, this topic, like the significance of dreams and aspiration. So this is very important. We have to focus on it. If you have the dream, you are going to achieve a significant success in your life. But if you don't have dream, it means you are directionless. So we have to choose the dreams and goals what we want to become, so you are going to become. Okay, so thanks for today. I hope you got some knowledge or some information. So just be connected with us. Every day we are learning something. So thanks for today.